Made possible by viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Hit subscribe to keep them coming.
Okay, so we're looking at two Philips 3200 series espresso machines, both renewed, right? The B0BMNXTS48 and the B0C91CMX7Q.
Yep, both with the LatteGo system. Seems like they're pretty similar at first glance.
Exactly. They both boast making 5 types of coffee and use the aroma extract system for temperature control. Both promise 20,000 cups with their ceramic grinders. Size-wise, they're identical, 17 by 10 by 15 inches.
But there are some differences. The B0BMNXTS48, the black one, specifically mentions iced coffee as one of its specialties.
Good catch, and it's available right now, sold by Household Gear for $599. The silver B0C91CMX7Q is currently unavailable, which is a bit of a bummer.
Right, and the silver one, the EP3246/74, highlights its 12-step grinder adjustment. Does the black one have that too?
The description for the black one doesn't explicitly say it has 12 steps, but it does mention durable ceramic grinders. This could be a relevant difference for a coffee aficionado.
Another area is the included accessories. The black one says additional consumable accessories not included, whereas the silver one is explicit about AquaClean filter, grease tube, and water hardness test strip not being included.
It's interesting that both models are renewed, yet the silver one's customer reviews section mentions a missing and non-functional brew unit. That's a serious red flag, even for a renewed product.
Yeah, that review's pretty harsh. The black one has positive reviews mentioning quality, functionality, and ease of cleaning. Customer reviews say it makes good coffee with a single press of a button, works great, and is simple to clean.
So if someone really wants iced coffee directly from the machine, the black one seems like the better bet. Plus, it's actually available.
Agreed. The silver one, even if it were available, has that concerning review. Both machines, dimensionally and feature-wise, appear to be nearly identical, but the availability and better reviews are a win for the black one. The 12-step grinder on the silver one isn't enough to outweigh the other issues.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.